Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Softic Online. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 23H2 on an unsupported laptop or desktop. First, download Windows 11 23H2 ISO. Open your web browser and go to Microsoft's official website. Click on the Download Windows 11 button. Select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices option. Choose the language of your Windows operating system. Click on the Download button. Now let us see how to bypass Windows 11 requirements. Copy the link provided in the video description. Open your web browser and paste the link into the address bar. Download the text document from Google Drive. Open the text document and change the file type to .cmd. Save the file as windows11.cmd. Run the windows11.cmd file. Now we will install Windows 11 23H2. Double-click on the Windows 11 ISO file. Select Open in File Explorer. Double-click on the Setup file. Click on Next. Read the terms and conditions and click on Accept. Select the Keep Files and Applications option. Click on Next. Click on Install. Let us see, what does Windows 11 23H2 look like? Windows 11 23H2 is a minor update to Windows 11, so it doesn't look much different from Windows 11 22H2. However, there are a few new features, such as the ability to create a group of taskbar icons and the ability to use the snipping tool to record a specific area of your screen. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and do subscribe to this channel.